What's going on YouTube? It's your guy DJ Cottrell here. Here's a quick video on how to remove the cover for recessed shower lighting. So first thing you want to do is you want to grab the fixture and you want to, with a little bit of force, just pull the fixture down towards you, and that breaks the magnetic connection there. The fixture is hanging there by, is suspended by a wire. You can see the wire right there, right? That wire allows you to move the fixture up and down. So once you move it down, it's just going to hang like that. And you can see that gold screw. You have to loosen that gold screw up. I had to use the flathead screwdriver to loosen it up. And once I got it loose, I was able to just screw it, turning it counterclockwise with my fingers. Once I turned that counterclockwise, I turned the cover counterclockwise, and that actually released it from the fixture there. So after you get to this part, you can take that cover down, and you can go ahead and grab your light bulb and go ahead and install that light bulb or replace the light bulb, whatever you need to do. You can go ahead and reinstall the fixture cover. After that, you want to tighten up the gold screw by turning it clockwise. And then you can go ahead and push the fixture back into the ceiling, and you will hear it snap back in place, creating that magnetic connection as it did before. And you're done.